Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to connect Fresha to Facebook. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Fresha application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Fresha if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and connect Fresha to Facebook. But firstly, let's see what we have in front of us. So as you can see in the bottom right corner, we have 5 tabs. We have the calendar tab, we have the sales tab. You click on the plus button, we have the add appointment, group appointment, block time, sale, and quick payment. We have the client list, and we have the workspace in the bottom right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and connect Fresha to Facebook. So first of all, go to the top bottom right corner and click on your workspace. Here, as you can see, you have a lot of options. The option that you want to go and click on is the add-ons, which is the last one before last option. Then, as you can see, Facebook and Instagram bookings, add online booking to your social media pages. You can go click here and just click on get booked on Facebook and Instagram and online booking for your social media pages. As you can see, you just need to go click start now, put your Facebook, of course, your Facebook information, and you will have it connected then. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.